Hi everyone! Welcome to Minas Day Vlogs once again. Sa mga kapwa ko Filipino, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ken kadigitay padak nga Ilocano, na imbag nga aldaw yu amin apo. For today's video guys, I will not be cooking. Instead, first part of my video, it's a short talk because 2024 is about to end. We will be saying bye-bye. But of course, in my channel, we will not be saying goodbye. I just like to take this opportunity, guys, to thank everyone, my family and friends, especially my subscribers. Thank you very much, guys, for being with me the past 4 years. So I know I still need to improve my videos. A lot of improvements is needed, but you were still there for me. That's why I really appreciate. For my non-subscribers who took and lend their precious time in watching my videos, thank you very much. I think you just forgot to click that subscribe button, and why not do now? Please do subscribe so that we will be together many years more to come, not just 2025, right? So again, thank you very much everybody, and I'd like to wish everyone happy New Year. Sa mga kapwa ko Filipino, masaganang bagong taon po sa inyong lahat. Ken kadigitay padak nga Ilocano, nagasat abaro at tawen tayo amin apo. So this is a Minas Day Vlogs. I think we are going market now, guys. I need to hurry dress up because we will be doing our year-end marketing. So I will see you when we get there. Mahalo! Okay guys, so I'm back and we are almost there in the first store. So this is Waipahu. First store, I check on the pomelos. So there are two kinds. In Philippines, we call this suha, and we Ilocanos call this swa. It's good to dip in vinegar. And this one, it's already wrapped. These are pomegranate. It's kind of pricey though. Medyo mahal siya. Kailangan ko pa naman ng mga lucky fruits for New Year. Dito medyo mas mura siya, so I will get one kasi hindi ako sure if the other stores get. Okay, that one. And these are cantaloupe or melon in Philippines. Ito masarap lagyan ng condensed milk with ice or yellow. They say to know if it's sweet or ripe, you have to knock like that. Kaya ganun din yung ginagawa namin kasi may nagsabi sa amin na seller before. That's why we make sure so that not to waste money, make sure that it's really ripe and sweet there. Sana hindi ako pagalitan nung may-ari ng tindahan pag nakita niyang ginagawa ko, guys. So, I got one there. Next is, these are watermelon. So, pakwan in Tagalog, sanja in Ilocano. Same thing, that's how you check. These are tangerines, but I don't need tangerine. I will pick at our yard. I need one orange. There you go. And then, I will be needing bananas as well. In Tagalog, saging. Sa aming mga Ilocano, saba. I will buy some of the bananas in the first table and this one. I love the cooking banana. This will be our breakfast tomorrow. I will fry this one. Hubby's favorite. And then, plenty vegetables. So I will be needing green beans and snow pea. I saw in there. Ang daming, oh, that one, katuday, katuray. I like that one for munggo beans. Ang daming vegetables, guys. Gulay-gulay pag may time. But you will be surprised with the price of these green leafy vegetables, Filipino vegetables. Buti na lang may halaman ako sa backyard. Di ako bibili. And coffee is life in the morning. I need to get 2 packs in there. I will be needing some sweetened milk for my dessert New Year. Ayan. And ang daming pagpipilian ng junk foods, guys. Andito silang lahat, yung mga paboritong kinakain sa Philippines. Oh, magsasawa ka dito. And then what else? Oh, I will be needing this because I'm like that. Cheesy. Oh, joke. I don't know why always like that. Limit 2. These are some spices. At medyo empty yung ketchup doon. I think they banned before but now it's starting to come back. And then, oh, that one, I will be making maybe spaghetti. So I have that noodles. I need to walk because I saw my favorite in there. Guess what, guys? Alam nyo ba ang paborito ko? Ito ay 99 cents lamang po ang isang package. Instant pancit canton calamansi flavor. Kaway-kaway sa mga kagaya kong paborito nito. Ayan siya. 99 cents ang isa. So, I bought 6. I also need some noodles for New Year. Sabi nga nila, pancit for long life. Ayan siya. Bibili po ako ng canton. Canton noodles. So, alam na talaga, guys, nag-prepare ako for New Year. And if you notice, we still wear face mask if we go out for protection. Nasanay na kami, we are used to wearing that every time we go out. So, makikita nyo ako naka-face mask pa din. That one is vermicelli noodles. Para siyang sotanghon. So, meron ng laman yung aking cart. At bumili yung asawa ko ng iinumin ko. Apple flavor. At eto na. Ang hindi dapat mawalan ng stock kapag New Year. This is a Filipino tradition that we have to stock our rice when New Year come. Rice is represents or symbolizes prosperity. Pero sa aming mga Filipino, rice is life. Ewan ko, pag hindi ako kumain ng kanin sa isang araw, naku, parang ang hina-hina ko, guys. Ayan, almost complete. At ang galing ng mata ng asawa ko, nakakita siya ng suman sa lihiya. First stop done. Whew. Busy preparing for New Year. So, need to do the shopping early. Avoid the crowd. And the first thing I saw, these are Japanese lucky ornaments for New Year. So, meron siyang instruction doon. Hindi ako bumili kasi hindi ako familiar with the rituals. Even though Ang asawa ko ay Hapon, hindi rin niya alam kung paano ang mga ito. So, I'm just showing them. These are Lucky Charms, Japanese Lucky Charms for New Year. There. I think their main lucky charm in there is the bamboo. And these are the lucky bamboo plants. Ayan, ang dami. Ang gaganda nila. And guess what guys? I forgot to buy one. Naging busy ako sa other side. Kaya nakalimutan ko kahit man lamang yung maliit sana ang binili ko. Next time, there is always another time. And I am still completing my 12 lucky fruits for New Year, guys. One important fruit on the table, you need to have pineapple. It will bring good luck. So, ayan, kapag si Pinay namalengke, for sure, almost everything mahahawakan niya, guys. Pili ng pili, pili ng pili. Hindi makapag-decide kung alin dyan ang maganda. Nagagalit na yung asawa ko, guys, kasi ang dami kong nahawakan. And then next, I came across to this one. It's like the first time I saw this, sweet tamarind from Philippines. Mukha siyang masarap. Pero ang ganda ng packaging, kaya expect it's very pricey. So I will get 1 mango and then 2 of the avocado. These are also lucky for New Year. Ayan, 3 kinds of avocados pala. So the second store, empty pa din yung aking cart, guys. Nakita nyo ba? So, meron din silang mga watermelon, pomelo. But I was surprised they get coconut. I'm just not sure if these are young. Okay pa ba sila for buko salad? Hindi ko sure. Hindi din ako marunong tumingin. I know this one. For sure, these are the old ones, yeah? These are for, I think you will grate this one for the coconut milk. Medyo mas mature ang mga niyog na walang balat. So these are sweet potatoes. I am looking for, I don't know yet. Mahirap mamili, guys. Mahirap mag-grocery. They get grapes. I remember now this one. They get a nice pomegranate. So, on the first store, I bought 1. And again, I will buy 1. So, we just eat the first one we bought earlier. Maybe we eat tonight. And this one, I will use this for display up to New Year. Ayan, di ba ang ganda-ganda niya? Perfect siya. Perfect din yung shape. Ayan. Meron din silang tangerine, but I will just pick in the yard because we get different kinds. Merong small and big. And this one, I am now at the wet section, the fish section. So, for New Year, it's lucky to have fish, so maybe tilapia, and then some shrimps. It's also lucky for New Year. Just maybe 10 pieces of shrimps enough. Okay na yun. And in here, some prepared sliced fish. Meron dyang ahi, salmon. Mukha silang masarap, di ba? And then, on the vegetables area, I like to come here because I can pick vegetables. It's not packed. So this one are the green beans for my pancit. Bibili din ako ng pumpkin and string beans.
You get the receipt for it?
Yeah. Let's go. So we went there. Last stop is the Seafood City Filipino Supermarket. Okay. Woo! We're done. Put the cart back. Be good. Okay. Okay guys, so malapit na kami sa aming bahay. Ayan, masaya ako kasi nabili ko lahat ng kailangan ko at gusto ko for New Year. I have my 12 lucky fruits, I have rice, I have fish, I have a dessert. So, this is it for now guys. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year.